When an employee finally decides to speak with a human expert through your employee assistance program, that moment really matters. Because if booking a session feels complicated or slow, many employees drop off. To tackle this, we've introduced direct booking. Now let's take a look at how this works in the product. We start here in the home screen of the Kyan Care platform. From here, employees simply click on the Care icon at the bottom, which takes them to the Care tab. Here, they can see what support they have available through their Kyan Health EAP, including their sessions, any ongoing conversations, and options for counseling, coaching, and work-life support, such as childcare, life services, and more. Now, this page is important because it's also where the booking starts. Let's say an employee has already had sessions with a counselor and wants to schedule their next session. To do that, they simply click Schedule Session and review the available time slots. If none of the time slots fit, they can request another time directly from the counselor by clicking Request Another Slot. But for the purpose of this walkthrough, let's say that one of the slots works. For example, your employee wants to have a session with their counselor on the 6th of April from 2 p.m. And they simply select the slot, and once they do, they click Confirm. And that's it. That's how direct booking works in Kyan Health. It makes it easier for employees to actually follow through and get support, which means less drop-offs and better EAP usage overall.